Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by securing data and confirming device details. First, backup mail, contacts, and calendar. Google Takeout or sync to an alternate account will do. Once done, identify whether your Gmail is an Android system account or just added on iPhone. That changes removal steps. Make sure your phone has enough battery and a working network, since sign out and account changes may trigger sync and verification. Now proceed to the account settings on your device to remove access immediately. On Android, go to Settings, Accounts, Google, select the Gmail account and choose Remove Account. Note that if it's the device owner account, you may need to add another account first to avoid lockouts. If Gmail is a system app, go to Settings, Apps, Gmail, then disable or clear data to stop notifications and remove local data. On iPhone, open Settings, Mail, or Passwords. Choose the Gmail account and delete account to remove it from Mail and other sync services. Proceed only after confirming you exported needed data. Finish by rebooting the phone and checking settings to confirm Gmail no longer appears under Accounts or Mail. Next, clear saved passwords in the device browser and sign out from any web sessions to fully remove access. If Gmail still surfaces, perhaps due to a primary Google account or device management, add a different Google account as owner or, if necessary, perform a factory reset after exporting data. This resolves stubborn system-level links. If verification blocks occur, follow on-screen prompts or use Google Account Recovery as directed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.